Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we are talking about the Hedera Hashgraph. What's the current price of Hedera Hashgraph? What's the price change goes at this time in Hedera Hashgraph? And what is the next target, the next move of Hedera Hashgraph? In this video I will show you friends. So keep watch this video till the end friends. And if you are new on my channel, so please make sure to subscribe HBAR Tech channel for more this kind of news and update friends. Now friends, let's start the video friends. First of all, we talk about the currently at this time price of Hedera Hashgraph. At this time price of Hedera is about 0.303706 USD dollar is the at this time price of Hedera Hashgraph. Same like that if we talk about the price changes occur in Hedera, so the last 1 hour and the last 1 day and the last 1 week, only the last 1 hour price changes is negative friends, except of these the last 1 day and the last 1 week changes gone very positive friends. Let's see the price chart of the HBAR for more details friends. Let's see the price chart. As you can see here now on the screen friends, that is the last 1 day price chart of Hedera Hashgraph friends. If we talk about the price changes occur in Hedera Hashgraph, so 0.42% price changes occur in Hedera Hashgraph. The price change is positive friends, so that's mean that you are in the profit friends. And if we talk about the highest price, so the highest price of the Hedera Hashgraph is about 0.322447 USD dollar is the highest price of Hedera Hashgraph. And same like that if we talk about the currently at this time live price of Hedera Hashgraph in the cryptocurrencies market, so 0.303706 USD dollar is the currently price of Hedera Hashgraph. As you can see here is the price is 0.32 and here is 0.30, so approximately a 0.2 USD dollar fast occur in the Hedera Hashgraph in the last 1 week friends. So friends, what's the next target, what's the next move of the Hedera Hashgraph? As you can see here, after this point over and over fast occur in Hedera Hashgraph. But if we look the current situation, so as you can see here, I hope from this point, and they're also in the jumping mode, and I hope that from this point they take a high jump, because that is the common phenomena of cryptocurrencies market, that after a fast there is a jump. So as you can see here, the previous period of the Hedera Hashgraph is in the fast friends, so now they again take a jump friends. So what's your opinion about Hedera Hashgraph? Please also share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe HBAR Tech channel for more this kind of news and update friends.